to show you mixed vegetable salad with roasted chicken. It will be yummy salad. So let's start. So for that, here I have taken one chicken breast, and now I'm going to poke it with this fork like this. So all spices and salt can go inside. And same way I will do it to the other side like this. Okay, and now I'm going to add all spices. So for the spices, at first I'm going to add pinch of turmeric powder. Next, adding around half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Then little bit of cumin powder. Next, salt to taste. And then I'm going to add this barbecue sauce, sweet and smoky flavor, but this is optional. Instead of this, you can use tomato ketchup, you can use lemon juice, you can marinate it with your way. So just I'm going to add this sauce around half a tablespoon or a little bit more. Okay, and now apply it really well like this, applying really well. And now I'm going to sprinkle little oil, around half a tablespoon of oil, then again rub it. Okay, and now I'm going to cover it with a plate and leave it for about half an hour for marinating. So after half an hour, my marinating is done, and I already preheated my oven at 450°F. And here I have taken one tray and I put one aluminum foil, and also I greased it with some oil. So now I'm going to put this chicken into this tray, but before that I'm going to sprinkle some coarsely ground black pepper. Both sides. If you want, you can use chili flakes, red chili flakes, or simple red chili powder. Okay, and now put it here like this. Okay, and now I'm going to put it into the oven. So while my baking is going on in the oven, in the meantime I'm going to make a dressing for salad. So for that, at first I'm going to take around 2 teaspoons of whole coriander seeds, and my pan is already heated. Around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and around 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. And at this point, keep your temperature at low to medium high, and I will dry roast them. So now just lightly stir them. So after 2 to 3 minutes, light roasting smell is coming out. So at this point I'm going to add these 3 whole red chilies and again stir it and roast them together. So after another 4 minutes, they got changed color and nice smell is coming out. So my roasting is done. So now I'm going to take them out. So I already took it out, this roasted spices, and now I'm going to lightly fry garlic, sliced garlic. So for that I'm going to add just a half teaspoon of oil, and also here I have taken 8 to 10 cloves garlic and I sliced them. So just put them like this, and I will fry them lightly. Just stir it. So So after a few minutes you can see that nice brown spots already appeared. So this garlic frying is also done. So turn off the heat and I'm going to leave it to cool it down. After cooling it down, now I'm going to blend all things together for making dressing. So at first I'm going to put this roasted whole spices, the red chilies, coriander and cumin seeds, with this fried garlic, and then around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. With this I'm going to add honey. Instead of honey you can add brown sugar, around 2 tablespoons of honey, after honey I'm going to add salt to taste, and then I'm going to add olive oil, around 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and with this I'm going to add just a little of water, and I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of water. 2, 3 and 4. And now just close it and blend it. After blending, I'm going to pour it into this cup, and this is my dressing. So look at this, my nice dressing, and now I'm going to taste it. Taste is awesome and smell is also very good, and you can make it more, then keep it in refrigerator, and then you can use it for next salad, and you can add these ingredients according to your preference. And after making this dressing, now I'm going to check my chicken into the oven. So after around 25 minutes I took it out from the oven, and now I'm going to turn it to the other side. Careful, this is very hot. Okay, and now again I'm going to put it into the oven. And also now I'm going to increase my temperature at 500 degree Fahrenheit. So after another 10 minutes I took it out from the oven, and it is cooked. You can see that it is cooked, and now I'm going to leave it to cool it down, and then I will slice it. So after a few minutes now I can handle this chicken. So now I'm going to slice it. So slice them like this. Very tender this chicken. And now I'm going to put it on a plate. So after making this dressing and cutting chicken, here I have taken some vegetables. Here I have taken roughly chopped lettuce, frozen green peas, sliced olive, small pieces of broccoli, sliced cucumber, sliced radish. I don't like that much radish, so here I have taken just little bit, and onion ring, frozen corn, sliced carrot, and some roasted walnut. So at first I'm going to add all vegetables into this bowl. So taking some lettuce, some peas, olive, broccoli. You can add your favorite vegetable, cucumber, then few sliced radish, onion ring, corn. Look at this nice color of vegetables, carrot, and 1 handful roasted and broken walnut. Then sprinkle around 2 tablespoons of dressing. You can add more if you want. And now mixing very lightly. So after mixing, now I'm going to serve it into this small bowl. So put this into this bowl, and then I'm going to put this chicken, sliced chicken, on the top like this. Okay, and then for garnishing you can put one lettuce like this. So look at this, my nice veg salad with baked chicken. Enjoy and see you with my next recipe.